How to log into Cash app with Cashtag. First of all, open up your Cashtag application in your mobile device. After you open up the application, you will get to login page. And here, you will not be able to log in with Cash app with Cashtag, but you will only be able to log in with your phone number or your email address. Now to log in with your phone number, type in your phone number, or if you want to log in with email, type in your email address. Now, once you enter your phone number, you will receive a confirmation code in your mobile number. So go back and check for the confirmation code, or if you have entered the email address, you will receive a confirmation code from Cash App in your email. Go back and check your email for the confirmation code. Once you have the confirmation code, type in this interface. After your turn, tap on next, and with that, you will be logged in with your Cash App using your mobile number or your phone number. But unfortunately, you will not be able to log in with your Cashtag. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.